Right now I have on the LeBron Elites, not even out right now. So, you know, real exclusive, black and gold. Shout out to Nike for giving these to me, you know what I mean? I love y'all. They always bless me and take care of me. So, you know, when you see them in stores, I think they might be a little limited too. So, you know, try to get them. Camp out, do whatever you got to do. I mean, you know, the sneaker game is crazy now, man. Just the whole camping out. I've never been one to do lines and do camping out. I managed to get sneakers that I want all the time without doing that. So I guess I'm either lucky or I just know good people, you know what I mean? But it's getting a little wild. Like the whole Galaxy foams, like that's just crazy, like selling for $6,000. Like you know, it's cool because I see, you know, what it's doing, but at the same time it's not cool because it kind of messes up the game. Like the whole reselling and just hiking up the prices, it's just people dying over them, you know, it's just wild. So it's you know, to me it's hard to kind of like balance the two, like, or to say if it's good or if it's not, you know. Greetings everyone, this is Stalley, Masson, Ohio 330, and you logged on to hiphopwire.com.